Have you ever wondered how a tiny cell can keep an entire organism alive? Inside every living cell are microscopic structures called organelles, tiny biological machines working together every second to produce energy, make proteins, remove waste, and control life itself. Today, we are taking a fascinating journey inside the cell to explore the functions of cell organelles in the simplest and most exciting way possible. By the end of this video, you will understand what organelles are, the function of each major organelle, how plant and animal cells differ, and why organelles are essential for life. Let us dive into the amazing world inside the cell. What is a cell? The cell is the basic unit of life. Every living organism from bacteria to humans is made of cells. Some organisms have only one cell, while others contain trillions of cells. Cells are like miniature factories. Each part has a special job that helps the cell survive. These specialized parts are called organelles. The word organelle means little organ. Just as organs in your body perform special functions, organelles inside the cell perform specific tasks. There are two major types of cells: prokaryotic cells, eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells contain membrane-bound organelles and include plant and animal cells. Today, we focus mainly on eukaryotic cell organelles. Cell membrane. The cell membrane is the thin outer covering of the cell. Its main function is to control what enters and leaves the cell. It acts like a security gate. Only certain substances can pass through it. The membrane is selectively permeable, meaning it allows some materials to move through while blocking others. Functions of the cell membrane include protection, transport of substances, communication between cells, maintaining internal balance. Without the cell membrane, the cell could not survive. Cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is the jelly-like substance inside the cell. All organelles are suspended in it. Many chemical reactions occur here. The cytoplasm supports organelles, stores nutrients, helps transport materials within the cell. Think of it as the working environment of the cell. Nucleus. The nucleus is often called the control center of the cell. It contains DNA, the genetic material that carries instructions for life. The nucleus controls growth, reproduction, protein synthesis, cell activities. Inside the nucleus is a smaller structure called the nucleolus. The nucleolus produces ribosomes. The nucleus is surrounded by the nuclear membrane, which protects the DNA. Without the nucleus, the cell would lose control of its activities. Ribosomes. Ribosomes are tiny structures responsible for making protein. Proteins are essential for growth, repair, enzymes, hormones. Ribosomes can be found floating freely in the cytoplasm attached to the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Their main function is protein synthesis. You can think of ribosomes as protein factories. Endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum, is a network of membranes within the cell. There are two types. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rougher has ribosomes attached to it. Its function is protein synthesis, protein transport. Because of the ribosomes, it looks rough under a microscope. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smoother has no ribosomes. Its functions include lipid synthesis, detoxification, calcium storage. The smoother helps remove harmful substances from the cell. Together, the acts like a transportation and manufacturing system. Golgi Apparatus. The Golgi Apparatus is the packaging and shipping center of the cell. Proteins made in the ear are sent here. The Golgi Apparatus modifies proteins, packages proteins, sorts materials, sends them to their destinations. It works much like a post office. Without the Golgi Apparatus, proteins would not reach the correct places. Mitochondria are known as the powerhouse of the cell. Their function is cellular respiration. They convert glucose into ATP, which is usable energy for the cell. Cells need energy for movement, growth, repair, transport. The mitochondria produce this energy. Interestingly, mitochondria contain their own DNA. Cells that require lots of energy, such as muscle cells, contain many mitochondria. Without mitochondria, cells would have no energy supply. Lysosomes are the digestive organelles of the cell. They contain enzymes that break down waste materials, old organelles, harmful substances. Their functions include digestion, recycling, defense against bacteria. Lysosomes help keep the cell clean and healthy. They are sometimes called the recycling centers of the cell. Vacuoles are storage organelles. They store water, food, minerals, waste products. Plant cells usually contain one large central vacuole. This large vacuole helps maintain turgor pressure, which keeps the plant upright. Animal cells have smaller vacuoles. Chloroplastal are found only in plant cells and some algae. They contain chlorophyll, the green pigment that absorbs sunlight. Their main function is photosynthesis. During photosynthesis, plants use sunlight, convert carbon dioxide and water into glucose, release oxygen. Chloroplasts allow plants to make their own food. Without chloroplasts, plants could not survive. Cell wall is found in plant cells, fungi, and bacteria. It surrounds the cell membrane. Functions of the cell wall: support protection, maintaining shape. In plants, the cell wall is made mainly of cellulose. Animal cells do not have a cell wall. Centrioles are found mainly in animal cells. They play an important role in cell division. During mitosis, centrioles help organize spindle fibers that separate chromosomes. This ensures that new cells receive the correct genetic material. Cilia and Flagella. Some cells have cilia or flagella for movement. Cilia are short, hair-like structures. Flagella are long whip-like structures. Functions include cell movement, moving substances across cell surfaces. For example, sperm cells use flagella to swim. Cilia in the respiratory tract move mucus. How organelles work together. No organelle works alone. All organelles cooperate to keep the cell alive. For example, the nucleus gives instructions. Ribosomes make proteins. The ear transports proteins. The Golgi apparatus packages them. Vesicles deliver them. Mitochondria provide energy. For all activities, this teamwork allows cells to function efficiently. Cells truly are incredible microscopic systems. Plant versus animal cells. Plant and animal cells share many organelles, but they also differ. Plant cells have cell wall, chloroplasts, large central vacuole. Animal cells have centrioles, smaller vacuoles, more flexible shape. Both types contain Nucleus, mitochondria. Ribosomes are Golgi apparatus. Cell membrane. Today, we explored the fascinating world of cell organelles and their functions. We learned that organelles perform specialized jobs. Cells function like miniature factories. Every organelle is essential for life. Understanding cells helps us understand all living organisms, including ourselves. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and share with fellow biology lovers. See you in the next biology lesson.